Did you know that 95% of homebuyers make their decision within minutes of entering a property? Cleanliness plays a pivotal role in that instant judgment. When a home sparkles, it not only enhances its appeal, but also reflects the care and attention that has gone into maintaining it. This is crucial in negotiations. A clean home allows buyers to envision themselves living there, making them more willing to negotiate favorably. At TidyTex, we understand that first impressions matter. Our veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they shine bright before open houses or showings. Quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail set us apart. Plus, here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. It creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that helps potential buyers feel at home. Clean spaces foster emotional connections, speeding up the selling process. Remember, a clean home is a sold home. For more details about our services, check the video description. Contact us today to elevate your real estate listings and close deals faster.